Hello, friends. I'm Janine, and we're going to look at a couple things in the Blue Letter Bible app. The first thing I want to show you is how to find other Bibles in other languages. So at the top, there are 3 bars. If you click on that, it will open up a menu. If you click on My Bibles, you can see all these Bibles. And if you keep scrolling, you have to scroll down a bit, and then you'll see they have RVR 60 in Spanish. They have the NAV Open New Arabic Version. Okay, and then these are some other things. And then they have a Korean one. Here we go. Chinese, CHT, Chinese Traditional Union. Here's EM, Spanish language, and here's KOR, Korean, and LS is Louis Sigmund, the French language. Here's another Spanish, LUT, German, Luther is German, RST is Russian. Here's another Spanish. Here's another Arabic. Okay, and then let's say you want to use Arabic and you want to move it up. You take it, hard press on those little dots. Here. Okay, so there's 2 Arabic. So these little 2 lines of little dots in the middle, if you press down, it'll let you move it around to reorganize them. Okay, so there are several languages, and then what you can do, let's say we want to look at the Arabic. So I'm going to tap on this one, and then once I've tapped on it, I can, at the top right, there's a little house. Tap the house, and now it's going to show the scriptures in Arabic. Now, the app is still in English, okay? So you're going to have to just tap on things to kind of figure out where you are. And I've given tutorials on how to use different things, like in settings, what they are. So if you can try your best to track with me how I've given you instructions, you can still use this app. Now, if I tap on this to go to the interlinear, it does have the Arabic on one side, and then it's going to have the original Greek or Hebrew. Okay, and then let's say we go into this, the word. The word in Greek is logos. And then, I'm sorry, but this part's in English. I don't know how to make this in Arabic. But what I would recommend is that you see if you can find a separate app that specifically has the Strong's interlinear in your language. And then once you know so you'll see your language over here. Once you know the root word you're looking to look up, then you could go to that other app and look up that word. Okay? So please try your best to explore this, see if it works for you. I've also done a separate tutorial on how to use YouVersion, and it has a lot more languages. It has 2,000 language translations. So you can look at that. It's just that they don't offer as many tools as the Blue Letter Bible app. Okay, well, that's all for this recording. God bless you.